Hello friends, now we will learn about the alert log section. So here are two options for enabling and disabling the trading. Now here it is active. When you click here, it will not enter into the trade, just show you there. And when you click on it again, then it will resume the trading. So here we are showing a kind of table, which is displaying the alert time coming from the TradingView. Then, there is a symbol that you have selected and a local symbol also. Then here will show whether it is a buy or a sell alert. And here it is order type as market order or limit order. Here, it will show us the alert status. Then we have an entry order ID, limit ID and stop loss ID. Then we show the alert data, whatever raw data we get from TradingView. So if you get any problem, you can share this data with our support, so they can check. By clicking on this symbol, you can apply filter and search for any particular entry ID. And if you click clear, so filter will be disabled. The same for the symbol, you can apply a filter to search for a particular symbol. You can also download this complete history by clicking here. You can move to the previous and next screen from here. Here it is the filter, from where you can watch the history of the particular date. So this is the most important section. And if you are having any issues, just take a screenshot of this screen and send it to our support so they can identify what is exactly happening. Now let's understand this settings section. So here we have created a standard mapping, from TradingView symbol to Tradovate symbol. So, we have created a mapping for all mostly used symbols. If you do not find it there, so you can search it from here. So if I want to search for NQZ4, and if it is present here, so I don't have to create new setting. And if someone wants to overwrite the settings, let's say if anyone have alert on MNQ and wants to place trade on NQ. So then you can update your settings, so just put here as NQ. So whenever trade comes on MNQ, then it will get placed for NQ. We have a tutorial here, so you can watch it. Then we come to the Create Settings section. Here you have to put your symbol coming from TradingView. Here you have to place order type as market or limit and quantity here. So this all things get auto-populated as we filled it before in the Generate Alert section. So if you want to check whether your tick size or lot size is correct or not, just go to TradingView. So as I am trading for NQ, just to these three dots, and then go to Security Info. So here you will see the tick size, and the lot size as point value. Then you can pass stop loss, but you can pass it in points only. This amount would be added or subtracted from the entry fill price. Same for the take profit. Now here is the entry offset. Let's say your entry fill price is 100, and you want your order to get filled immediately. So you can place a limit order, but with the set of -5 ticks. And tick size is 0.25 for NQ. So it will place a trade at around 101.25, so such things can increase your fill chances. Override mapping is you can disable the override mapping from here. Now, let's come to risk setting. So it keeps track on daily loss, daily profit, weekly loss, weekly profit. So if you set those particular value, and whenever these value got achieved, the trading is going to get stopped and you will not enter the new position for that day or week. Now, let us understand the settings. So the trading time works as, it gives allowance to user to trade for a particular time. So the user can set the time manually when he wants to trade. But the time will be in EST format, and you can delete it from here also. So all these things work on the cloud, so you don't need to keep this window open always. We also have the doc section, where we have complete documentation. In payments, you have various plans to get the subscription.